Hello and welcome back everyone to this channel, and today this video tutorial I will tell you how to extend dictionary, or you have dictionary containing some key value pair, how you can add more value to that dictionary. And for that, here we will use the three method. In the first method we will use the update method of the Python. Then in the second method we will use the unpacking dictionary concept, and lastly we will use the for loop to extend the dictionary. Now let's start. So in the first method, we'll use the update method, and this update method takes another dictionary and add that dictionary to the existing one. So for example, suppose you have a dictionary employee data containing a employee name, and name is like a rock, and contains a age is a 28. Now this is the dictionary. Now you want to add a new data to the dictionary. Let's create a new data, and this new data contains a location. Location is New York, and also contains the department of the employee. So department, and department is HR. Now we want to add this dictionary data, that this key pair value to this employee data dictionary. So right here, employee data, because you want to extend this dictionary. So on this you will call update, then you will pass the key value pair that you want to add to this employee data dictionary. So here key value pair is another dictionary, new data. Now let's print employee data, execute this code, and as you can see in the output, with name and age, it also contains the location and department of the HR, and this location and department is added using this update method of the Python. So this is how you can use the update method to extend the dictionary. Now next, let's see a dictionary unpacking. So for this, here we will need to use the double asterisk operator to unpack a dictionary. Now let's see how to do that. So for example, here I'm going to take this both dictionary. So here I will create a new variable merge data which will contain the extended dictionary. Now specify here curly braces. Within curly braces, first I am going to unpack the employee data. Then give a comma, and after that unpack the new data or a new key value pair that you want to add to the employee data. So here employee data will be unpacked, and here new data will be unpacked. Now let's print merged data, execute this code, and again you can see we have successfully extended the dictionary with a new data, location and department. So lastly we have a for loop. We can use the for loop to extend the dictionary. So here I'm going to directly write the for loop. So for, then I want to grab key and value in employee data dot items. So here employee dot data items, when we call items method on the employee data, which is dictionary, then this item method takes the key value pair and return key value pair as a tuple. So we are accessing the first value in the tuple is a key, and the second value is the key of the value. Now next I want to add that extracted dictionary from the new data to the employee data. So sorry for the mistake here, it should be a new data, not a employee, because we need to add the new data key value pair to the employee dictionary you see here. So here write employee data then specify key, and after that equal to, then value. Now let's print here employee data. And again you can see in the output we have successfully extended the dictionary employee data using another dictionary new data. And if you are confused, you can here print key value. Now again execute this. You can see now you understand how to extend a dictionary in Python using the update, unpacking and for loop. So at last I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.